Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. The bomb. Okay, I'm gonna kill them, right? How did he come this quick?
That's what she said.
Okay, I saw someone. Wait, we lost the bomb. That's not good. Okay, I saw him. You're dead, you're dead, you're dead. I told you you're dead. And I won't try to even like plant the bomb. I'm just going to kill them from right now. Move! Oh my god. No way. Where is he? Where's the last person, I think? I think there's one more person. Oh! Oh my god. How the freaking... We both didn't see each other. I thought he was with our team. Because he ran literally past me. You're dead. I see you too. Freaking come out, come out. I see you. Move from my way. Why do you come in front of me?
That's what she said.
There's someone over there, but oh, he's only one shot. Where are their teams? Holy shit, they are all over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I killed 3 of them, and this is the 4th. Unless he kills me. Wait, no way. I killed all 5. Trying a new shotgun that I literally just unlocked. I don't know how well will I do with the shotgun. Either it's going to be really bad or really good. Okay. Ha! Not a good start. I'm the first person to die. Congrats to me. Why? Okay, slowly and kill. Slowly. I need to go slowly. Slowly and you get the kill. Slowly and you get the kill. Slow and steady wins the race. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Dum dum. Whoo! Where are the people? Okay. F you. He's throwing something. Why didn't he get exploded? Haha, from behind you. Die. Oh my god! That was like this. So simple, so easy. Oh, it's the same guy. God damn, I feel bad for you. I don't know, did he get stuck while jumping up? Die. Die. I don't know, are they noobs? Okay, I'm lagging again. Die. Keep killing this guy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I saw it happening slowly. I freaking saw it happening slowly. I couldn't run away in time. Okay, maybe I should have ran after the first kill. Maybe. Woo. I'm gonna throw some random things around. Maybe it will help me get random kills. Woo. Woo. Okay, that guy, I saw him. Oh, it got someone. As I said, random kills. No way. No freaking way. I got both of them with the... Oh my god. And it's gonna be in the kill cam. I have to see the kill cam. Holy freaking... I didn't mean to do that. That was literally pure luck. No freaking way. This is amazing. Let's freaking go. Well, this is a nice way to end this video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.